What's up, Island Timers? It's Matt Nathanson from islandtimeliving.com, leading employees out of the jobs they're not passionate about through starting their own online businesses and thus finding extra time, extra money, and no worries, right? Which is the island time living mindset. And one of the questions that I see and hear every now and then is, what kind of business can I build online? And there are 5 or 6 main types. The first of which is an affiliate marketing business. And this is by far the easiest way for people to get started and how I got started. And what I'm doing with the 6-figure mentors and helping others do with the SFM as well. When you act as an affiliate, you're a middleman, so to speak, and you get paid for introducing buyers to sellers. And when there's a transaction, you collect a commission. And that is probably the easiest way for anyone to get started, because there's no product that you're housing, there's no inventory, there's no shipping, any of that stuff. You're just acting as a middleman, and you're learning how to effectively connect buyers and sellers online. You're not selling anything necessarily, you're just connecting the people who are already looking to buy with the people who offer the products and services that fulfill that need. The other business that is fairly easy to start online that's similar to that is drop shipping. And that is, again, acting as a middleman for products and services. And I think the best example I can use is what I did specifically. I sold some garden products, like water filtration products, even worm farms. And if you're into gardening, worms are amazing for garden soil. And so what I did was I would list the water filtration systems and the worm farms on Amazon, but I had to go through all of the process of finding the suppliers. And then when I would receive an order on Amazon, I would then email the order over to the supplier and they would ship it directly to the customer. So it was nice because I didn't have to hold any inventory or anything, but there's a lot more to it than with affiliate marketing, and it's much more difficult to set up. An e-commerce store is a really common way for people to start their own online businesses. And as an Amazon affiliate, again, it's affiliate marketing, but you have a store, is an easy way to do that. The Amazon affiliate program is super popular, and there's an Amazon influencer program that is also something that's out there, I think, for people who maybe are a little bit more savvy. I'm not exactly sure what the Amazon influencer program is in comparison to the Amazon affiliate. And you set up a store. I'm in the process of kind of doing the same thing, setting up a wedding shop where all of the wedding supplies that you can buy on Amazon, whether that's skirts for tables and chairs or ceremony supplies like candles and sand and stuff, I can have it all on my shop, act as a middleman, so all of the inventory is in one place, even though I'm not holding inventory, and then Amazon ships all of those goods to the people who buy them from me. So it's still affiliate marketing, but I have an online store. You can go inside, it's okay, buddy. You wanna come over here and say hi real quick? Come here, quick. Here's my daughter, May. Gotta look in the camera. Hello. How you doing, buddy? So the other business that a lot of the 6-figure mentors students wind up doing is coaching and consulting. What kind of comes naturally with the 6-figure mentors curriculum is helping others. And a lot of people get good at it, and so they then start to charge for their time for helping others. And that's a good one, and one that I might consider down the road as well. But again, you're trading your time for money. And at least for me, the whole point of going to business online is to avoid trading my time for money and to have systems and processes set up that generate revenue and income for me while I sleep. Another one that people go to is local marketing. Once internet marketing is something that you've mastered, you can then go to your local community and pitch your services. And you know your local community better than certainly anyone else who lives out of state or out of the area. And sometimes marketing agencies charge ridiculous amounts of money to manage marketing for businesses on a monthly basis. And you can go in and undercut those people by a huge amount and get going that way once you've learned the internet marketing curriculum and know what you're doing. So those are, I think, 6 ways to go into business for yourself online. It's affiliate marketing, drop shipping. Oh, you know what I missed? Was multi-level, MLM. And I tried that for a while too, but the multi-level company that I was working with, they didn't allow online marketing. And so they wanted us to just hold like events where you have to invite people and then do everything in person. And that's just not scalable. And if you can find a multi-level company where you can build your downline using internet marketing, then it's a great way to do it. So you've got affiliate marketing, drop shipping, multi-level marketing, coaching and consulting, local, and e-commerce store. Well, I hope that helps, and you now know that you've got at least 6 different ways that you can earn money from the comfort of your laptop. And you got to meet my daughter May, which I thought was pretty fun. And I hope you all have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.